Calisthenics are one of the best bodyweight workouts to build a strong and good physique if you do them right. But do them wrong, you're not only just wasting your time, you're killing your gains and making space for a lot of injuries. Let's be real. The problem is, you're making these 5 mistakes in these 5 different calisthenic exercises. Let me fix that. Push-ups. The first mistakes that a lot of kangaroos make when it comes to doing push-ups in calisthenics is forgetting to move the shoulder blades, which are the bones at the back under the shoulders. They shrug up or not move enough. This can hurt your shoulders or make the push-up less good. To fix this, when doing your push-ups, imagine you are trying to squeeze or pinch your shoulder blades together and then spread them apart like a little butterfly, flipping its wings. Keep your shoulders down, not close to your ears. This actually helps you to stay strong and safe while doing push-ups. This small movement keeps your shoulder blades stable and it makes your push-ups better. Pull-ups. The second mistake when it comes to doing pull-ups is pushing your head forward or looking up too much. This puts a lot of attention or pressure to your neck. This makes your neck hurt because it is working too hard. To fix this, keep your head straight and look straight ahead most of the time. Avoid looking up. Imagine you are holding a small ball under your chin to keep your neck straight. Before you do pull-ups, try to put your shoulders down like you are trying to keep them away from your ears. This actually helps to protect your neck and makes your pull-ups safer and strong. Dips. The third mistake when it comes to doing dips in calisthenics, it is actually going too low, below the parallel with the shoulders. This means lowering the body too far down, which puts too much pressure on the shoulder joints and can cause injury. To avoid this, stop lowering yourself once your upper arms are about parallel to the ground. This keeps the shoulders safe while still working the muscles effectively. Squats. The fourth mistake a lot of kangaroos make when it comes to doing squats in calisthenics is holding your breath during the movement. This is called breath holding and it can make the squats feel harder and less smooth. Instead, it is better to breathe normally by breathing in as you go down and breathing out as you stand back up. This actually helps your body to work better and keeps you from feeling dizzy or strained. Planks. The last mistake when it comes to doing planks in calisthenics, it is actually having your hips too high or too low. If the hips are too high, the planks become too easy and it doesn't work your core muscles much. If the hips are too low, it can strain your lower back and cause pain. To fix this, you must always keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels like a strong board. This helps you to get the most benefits and stay safe. Now that you have learned how to do calisthenics in the right way, you can check out this video to learn more about calisthenics.